everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the best brown sugar barbecue ribs. If you're interested, keep watching.
Cooking made easy.
Hi, my name is Claude Mart and I am the owner and founder of Flavorful Seasoning. Flavorful Seasoning is an e-commerce website where we sell organic seasoning, organic meat seasoning, organic barbecue marinade, organic jerk marinade, hot pepper sauce, and so much more. If you are interested in trying our product, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. Okay, let's get started with our recipe. So for our ribs, guys, we are using the all-in-one organic brown sugar barbecue marinade. This organic marinade is an all-in-one. When you are using it, you don't need to add anything else. For the green beans, I'm going to use the organic green seasoning, and I also have some instant potato, and we have our ribs. Before we get started, guys, I would like to remind you that in this channel, I post quick and easy recipe, and I also post video behind the scenes that show you guys how I run my business and how I package my orders. If that is something that you are interested in, please consider subscribing. Alright, let's get started. So to season the ribs, guys, we are using brown sugar, and this is available on our website, and this is what the barbecue marinade looks like. Rich and flavorful. Just going to pour it on the ribs. Fully rub the marinade on the meat. Clean my hand before I start it. And as you can see, guys, I am not adding anything else. No extra salt, no extra seasoning. This marinade already has everything that you need. Now that we are finished marinating, this is what the ribs looks like before we put it under the oven. Every piece fully coated with the marinade. Nice. So now we are going to put this under the oven. Now that we have placed the ribs under the oven, it's gonna be in there for an hour at 400 degrees. Now we are going to make our greens and the mashed potato. Okay guys, so now that our water is boiling, I'm going to add the mashed potato. And we are going to keep stirring because we don't want to have any clumps. And I'm also going to add some butter in this. Alright, now for our beans, I'm going to add a little bit of oil, not much. Then we are going to add our beans. And then we are going to add half of a tablespoon of the green seasoning, not much. We are not going to add any extra salt in this. The seasoning already has everything. We'll do a full tablespoon because I like mine rich with flavor. And if you want for your beans, you can also add onion, bell peppers, but I wanted to have my beans simple. So we're just gonna keep stirring. So our beans is ready.
Our ribs is done. This is what our ribs look like. I went off camera and added more barbecue marinade on top and put it back in the oven. It is nicely coated with the barbecue marinade, and because of the brown sugar we have these dark residues, and we are going to serve it with a side of mashed potato and green beans. We have a mashed potato and some green beans. This is our final result, guys. Super easy and delicious oven baked brown sugar barbecue ribs. Here's a closer look. We have our mashed potato, green beans, and the ribs. Here's the ribs. As you can see, the preparation for this meal was super easy. Green beans, potato, and ribs. Dinner is served. I hope you guys try this recipe. Prep time was less than 20 minutes. And we let this cook for an hour under the oven. Yes. Here is a closer look. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. The ribs came out perfect. Mashed potato, green beans, everything is perfect. I hope you try this recipe. As I mentioned earlier, if you want, you can cover the ribs with aluminum foil for 45 minutes, and after that, brush more of the barbecue marinade and put it back under the oven uncovered for an additional 15-20 minutes. They will come out perfect and delicious either way. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and thank you for watching my videos, guys. As always, I'll see you next time. Bye!
Cooking made easy.